Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and this is just a quick video on an update on this little portable radio that I am totally amazed. I did a test yesterday morning about 7 a.m. my time, which is right on the edge of when shortwave listing is the best because the sun is just starting to rise. And I did the automatic scan and store function, and it found 19 signals, not stations, 19 signals. So I went through the 19 signals, and 7 of which were actually shortwave radio stations, and one of them was China radio. Yep, China radio on this little radio using the 10-foot antenna that came with it. Only 10 foot. And what I did is I went in my other room, which has very few electronics, and I strung this up just kind of across the ceiling and did a scan, and I got 19 stations at 7 o'clock in the morning. I am really impressed with this radio. I don't know if it's still on sale, but this is an impressive little radio that you can carry with you anywhere because it's very small, and it even works great on shortwave. Now the scan takes about 15 minutes because it's scanning at 5 kilohertz increments. Yeah, 5 kilohertz increments. And if you want a manual tune, it tunes at 5 kilohertz increments. So it takes about 15 minutes to do that automatic scan through the entire band. It doesn't skip anything. And I am really impressed. Just wanted to give you an update. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.